Option 2 for your virtual design challenge is to create a musical instrument. Your client is me, the designer is you, and here's your problem. With the end of the world upon us, the best thing to keep spirits up is the power of music. However, those without musical instruments will be unable to lift their spirits once the power grid fails. Without music to inspire and unite people, civilization will likely spiral into chaos. So, using readily available materials, design a musical instrument that can be built from common household items, that has the power to lift the spirits of common chumps stuck in isolation. Your constraints for this project are to build your musical instrument from household materials. No need to go to the store or purchase materials from the internet. You must be able to play an entire song, and this can be an existing song or one that you write. Your solution should be original and not copied from bland, derivative designs found on the internet, and all designs should be able to play at least an entire 8-note scale. Your deliverables for this assignment are the things that you actually have to complete to create and turn in. This becomes part of your project grade. Week 1 is the planning phase, and your deliverables for week 1 are as follows. A minimum of 3 original concepts drawn as thumbnail sketches, drawn by hand using any drawing method learned in class. Exact construction, details, and measurements are not required, but sketch quality should be good enough to clearly communicate each concept. These must be photographed or scanned and then attached to the Google Classroom assignment on 5/6, which is Wednesday of this week. After that, you've got to complete a fully articulated technical drawing of whatever solution you choose. You can use whatever drawing styles and views that are necessary to fully communicate the details of your design. All of the methods learned in class are on the table. Be clear, be thorough, be neat, and use whatever drawings and views you need. It's up to you to decide what drawings are necessary to communicate your concept. Indicate the materials you plan to use and any assembly methods for putting together different parts and pieces. This drawing should be photographed or scanned and then attached to the Google Classroom assignment on 5/8, which is Friday of this week. Phase 2 of this project is prototyping and testing. That's going to be week 2. In this phase, you're going to build the thing you planned. Try to follow your plan as closely as possible. Strive for the highest quality of construction that you can achieve using the tools and materials available to you at home. You may want to take photos or videos of this process for later steps. Once you've built your prototype, it's time to test it. So you're going to set up a video camera and record yourself playing a song with your musical instrument. It can be an original piece written by you or an existing song that you're covering. Try to showcase the range and capability of your instrument. Be sure to take some high-quality video of this step for review and research purposes. Make any relevant notes about specific improvements needed in the design. This step should be completed by 5/15, which is Friday of next week. Finally, phase 3 of this project is the presentation. You'll be communicating your design process through a short edited video presentation. Detailed instructions on how to do this will be shared in Google Classroom posts later in the project. Your video should be short, about 3 minutes, and should clearly show the evolution of your concept from initial concept sketches through detailed technical drawings and prototyping and testing using pictures and videos collected along the way. This video is your final submission for the project. There's not going to be a Google slideshow like there have been on previous design challenges. This video is your final submission. Be sure that it showcases your best work. Videos will be turned into the Google Classroom assignment on 5/22, which is 3 weeks away. The internet is just loaded with clever homemade musical instruments that people have come up with, so I recommend you do a little bit of research beforehand. But I don't want to see any ideas that are directly ripped off from ideas you found online. Be creative, flex those creative muscles. Show me how you can take ideas that exist out there and mash it together with the things available in your home and come up with a creative solution to the problem. Good luck.